Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders for Christian word, truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered the four corners of the globe, Christian word, truthfully and sincerely as well, too. And I say shalom. And shalom to the Aqua sisters as well, too. And this is a walk and talk lesson that I wanted to bring out. I believe the Dow Jones Industrial, I believe the Dow Jones fall once again, because I remember on Friday, but I ain't do no lesson on it. But this is a new week and end of October, as we see the Dow Jones falls 200 points. Right, falls nearly 200 points, which is 190 points. It says the Nasdaq out of gains ahead of the big tech earnings. And this is a news article from Investostopia as of October 23rd, 2023. And this was published by Colin Laddie. And it reads once again, and this is in the news of the stock exchange. And this says the Dow Jones today nearly falls 200 points. It says the Nasdaq echoes out of gains ahead of big tech earnings. And says the stocks ended Monday mixing a treasury yield retreat after a 10-year note branch for the first time since 2007 at the start of the week, cramped with corporation earnings and major inflation data. And it says the Nasdaq closed 0.3 higher. Why? And the S&P 500 slipped 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.6%, which is in the negatives category of 190. It says markets were on edge after yield of the 10-year pass. It says of the year of a 10-year treasury pass and reached a 16-year high as the markets price likelihood interest rates and staying high for longer, amiding a sticky inflation and a resilient economy. It says investors will get a better idea of just how sticky inflation is when the September personal consumption exporters, the PEC, which is the price index, the Fed's preferred inflation call, is released Friday. And it says in the cooperation news, the CVX will buy the HESS for $53 billion for the second major oil deal to be announced month in the Microsoft SFAT or the global partner alphabet. And it says the stocks tumbled last week as investors moved into safe haven like gold, amending fears of fighting between the Israelis and the Hamas could widen into a regional conflict. And it says the energy oil sector slumps on falling oil prices. And it says oil and glass companies were some of the market worst performing stocks Monday as oil prices fell while investors close eye on the Middle East. Right, due to the performance of the oil production and stuff like that. Because, the markets, they were acting on that as well, too. Excuse me. I'm going to bring out the Salakia. Let me copy and paste this. Let me copy that Salakia. Then I'll bring out that Jeremiah. Salakia. This is the book of Jeremiah, chapter 51 and verse 7. And it reads to the Holy Scriptures. It says, Babylon has been a golden cup in the Lord's hand that made all the earth drunken. The nations have drunken of the wine for fornication. Therefore, the nations are mad. Amending the ongoing tensions over there in the Middle East. Where we starting to see this economic of this modern day Babylonian system, economic system, is declining. Even though it try to make bounce backs, but we see the increase and declining of it. That's what I just want to bring out the scripture. Jeremiah 51 and verse 8 says, Babylon is suddenly fallen and destroyed. How for her take run for her pain, if so she may be hid. Jeremiah chapter 51 and verse 9. We would have healed Babylon, but she is not healed. Forsaking her, let us know everyone to his own country, for her judgments reach up to heavens and is lifted up even to the sky. Right, the sins of Babylon have been revealed and is being exposed. So, this modern day Babylonian economical system, we're going to continue to see increasing signs of it continue to fall. This is Revelation chapter 18 and verse 1. And after these things, I saw another angel come down from heaven, having great power, lightning with the glory. Earth was lightened with his glory. And this is Revelation chapter 18 and verse 2. And he cried mightily with a strong voice, saying, Babylon the great is fallen, is fallen. Definitely this modern day economical system is falling right in front of our eyes as we continue to prophesy against it. And it says, and it's become a habitation of deceivers, and they hold a foul spirit, and a cage of every unclean HATEFUL bird. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. This recent news article for the markets has crashed, even though the Nasdaq composite reached a little higher. But far as the Nasdaq composite, it had fell to 0.1%. As I read the news article again, as it says, the Dow Jones today falls nearly 200 points, as the Nasdaq echoes out gains ahead of big tech earnings. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. This walk and talk lesson that I wanted to bring out from this news article from the Dow Jones fell like 190 points, almost close to near 200 points. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Makar Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Aki, scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.